car you drive, you're not the contents of your wallet. You're not your fucking khakis. You were the all singing, all dancing crap of the world.
Tyler Durden isn't just a man. वो एक idea है. He is a symbol of freedom, rebellion, and he lives his life with no regrets and no apologies. He's fearless, and he'll push you to your limits, your fears, and make you question what really matters. Fight Club एक cult classic है which is loved by millions, mainly men. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 7 life lessons that I learned from Tyler Durden. So let's begin. Reject societal norms. One of the core lessons that I took from Fight Club is to reject the societal norms and societal standards. हमारे actions, behaviors and choices बहुत heavily influence होते हैं by the people around us. If someone is buying clothes of a particular brand, you would want that too. या आपके around सब clubs जा रहे हैं तो आपको भी जाना है. Why? Because everyone is. कई बार हम ऐसी चीजें करते हैं, अपने आप को ऐसे सिचुएशंस में डालते हैं just to impress people or be liked by someone, when in reality the thing that you're doing doesn't even align with your values or doesn't even excite you that much. You're doing it because you just want to fit in. एक सीन में टायलर बोलता है कि
Advertising has us chasing cars and clothes, working jobs we hate so we can buy shit we don't need.
टायलर हमें मजबूर करता है ये सोचने के लिए कि हम लाइफ में जो भी कर रहे हैं, क्या वो हम खुद के लिए कर रहे हैं या हम वो कर रहे हैं because everyone around us is doing it. Do we really want the things we chase? Or have we been programmed by the society to desire them? Think about it. So the lesson here is to create your own rules. Understand कि जो सब कर रहे हैं वो आपको करने की जरूरत नहीं है. The lesson here is to stop trying to fit in, so you can finally be your authentic self. Just like Tyler Durden. Let go of materialism. Materialism is the belief that money and possessions are the most important things in life. You'll notice that some people are very attached to the brands of clothes they wear, or their cars, or even simple things like their smartphones. That's materialism. But just think about it. When you die, are you going to take any single thing with you? In fact, आपके मरने के बाद आपकी सारी material possessions, even money, किसी और का हो जाएगा. So do you really want to spend your life being obsessed about things that aren't even yours in the first place? Tyler says the things you own end up owning you. And that's fucking true. The lesson here is to remove your focus from all your material possessions and focus on more important things like building yourself up as a person. The next lesson is to embrace chaos. One of the most beautiful and scary aspects of life is you don't know what is going to happen next. You have no fucking clue. फिर भी पता नहीं क्यों हम में से ज्यादातर लोग सब कुछ कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करते हैं. हम छोटी से छोटी और बड़ी से बड़ी चीजों को कैलकुलेट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. We try to plan every single thing in our lives and be very organized. We try very hard to be perfect. But in reality, you can die in the next fucking moment. Tyler says fuck being perfect. He says let's evolve and let the chips fall where they may. What he means by this is do whatever the fuck you want and enjoy life to the fullest. Because literally anything can happen in your life at any given moment, good or bad. So stop planning everything and embrace the chaotic nature of life. The next lesson is to celebrate the present. In today's time, everyone is so busy in studying 10 hours a day or working 9-hour jobs. Most of us are spending majority of our time doing what we hate. While it is extremely good to work hard, make sure कि आप अपने हार्ड वर्क को उस एक्सट्रीम पे ना ले जाओ कि आपके पास सांस लेने कोई वक्त नहीं है. हम इंसानों की मेंटालिटी ऐसी होती है कि हम सब अच्छी चीजों को बाद में के लिए रखते हैं. Fuck that. Make sure to have time to celebrate your present. Future किसने देखा है? Celebrate every fucking day. Celebrate every fucking hour of that day. Tyler's philosophy is you can die at any given moment. And it's only after once you have accepted this fact, you can start living. And live every day like it's your last day on this planet. Celebrate every single breath you take. Because at the end, it's your life. And it's ending one moment at a time. The next lesson is to understand the fact that you are not unique. Tyler Durden throughout the movie Fight Club reminds his people that
you are not special. You are not a beautiful or unique snowflake. You are the same decaying organic matter as everything else.
अभी आप एक्सट्रीमली दुखी हो सकते हो फैक्ट को सुन के और यू कैन बी एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी बिकॉज इफ यू टेक दिस द राइट वे यू डोंट मैटर. नो वन केयर्स अबाउट यू और व्हाट यू डू. सो फर्स्टली डोंट हैव एनी हाईली ओपिनियन ऑफ योरसेल्फ. यू आर नॉट यूनिक. एंड सेकेंडली नो वन केयर्स अबाउट यू, राइट? सो यू आर फ्री टू डू एनीथिंग यू वांट. यू आर फ्री टू लिव द वे यू वांट. Because eventually no one is going to remember you or what you did. So why not spend your time doing whatever you want and live your life to the fullest? So the next lesson is to face your fears. Growth requires embracing your insecurities. Growth requires embracing your fears, all the things that scare you, and embracing all the areas of life where you lack. Because it's only after you have acknowledged, accepted, and fully embraced your fears and insecurities, they lose power over you. And you can break free from the self-imposed limitations that hold you back. ये freedom आपको allow करता है to take risks, grow stronger, and move closer to becoming the most authentic version of yourself. Become the version of yourself you desire to be. Destroy to rebuild. Tyler Durden carries out Project Mayhem in Fight Club, which is to destroy all the credit card companies to get everyone back to zero. So no one has any credit or any loan and are free from all the financial burden. Tyler has to destroy something to create something even better. What we can learn from this is, the concept of destroy to rebuild, it refers to the idea that growth often requires breaking down existing structures, existing beliefs, or existing habits to make space for something better. You need to destroy the self-limiting beliefs you have about yourself to achieve success in any field. You need to destroy your body in the gym every single day to sculpt the body of a Greek god. You need to destroy your fear of failure to create something meaningful. So कुछ भी करने से पहले, कोई भी journey पे embark करने से पहले, you need to destroy what's already there because you can't construct a new building before breaking down the old one. At the end, you need to destroy yourself today to come back stronger tomorrow. I'm ending this one here.